A single sneeze shoots out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour, faster than most cars speed down the highway. That explosive force isn't just dramatic, it's a microscopic cannon, launching thousands of tiny droplets into the air. These droplets don't just vanish, they can travel up to 26 feet, carrying whatever germs are hitching a ride. That's why you can catch a cold from someone way across the room, even if you never come close. Your body powers a sneeze with a rapid-fire combo of muscle contractions, building up intense pressure in your lungs before blasting it all out in a split second. The rush is so powerful, it can even momentarily close your eyes and make your head jerk. Next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember, what's coming is a high-speed spray with the force of a mini explosion, changing the air around you in less than a blink.